Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're at the really overgrown river. We're gonna be probably punching and topwater frogs. It's a little bit early for topwater frogs in the day. It's a little bit early in the day for topwater frogs, but punching should be okay. And we got some other random things that we're gonna throw around for some bass. So stay tuned in. Let's hopefully catch some fish. Okay, so I think we're gonna punch first. I'll go with these ones for now. Punch and rod and frog and rod. It's a little bit breezy, so I don't know how good the audio is gonna be. This is my first time actually punching, so please don't judge me. I know I'm using a swim bait rod, but it's the only thing I got that actually be able to work for this, so. Oh, that wasn't good. Hoping I didn't break anything, but I did get a bite, so that's good. I also hope I didn't damage my rod, because that was a tungsten weight I just hit it with. First few minutes in, I'm already in a tangled mess. I'm not going to be good with this, am I? I just had a little bass come up to it. Alright, so there's life here. I mean, it is nice to experiment with something new that I'm not used to fishing. Today I just need to get some fishing and some content, catch some bass. That's what I'm really looking for. I'm gonna put this fluke on a different rod. And I'm going to grab a 7'2" medium, which I would like this rod, but this rod is only set up for braid, and the braid sort of ruined it, so I'm kind of have to use it. I'm going to try fluke. Drag's not set. I forgot to set the drag. This guy was vicious. He just came over and said hello. Oh, that's a healthy little bass. Look at that. Beautiful little Lost River bassie. I'm gonna have to give him a bit of a throw. Sorry. I hate doing that, but I kind of have no choice at the moment. And that was a small guy. I mean, that was the first bass I've caught out of the Lost River this year, of trying in other places and at this spot countless times. All right, let's keep walking. It's a little deeper over here. Oh, give me a heart attack. Water level's down like 2 or 3 feet. I just suppose it's pretty normal for the summer, but oh my goodness, those frogs. Every time they scare me to death. Now there's a ton over here, and I can see that hole there is absolutely clogged. Let's not waste our time here anymore. Big tadpoles. Oh my goodness, those things are massive. I will admit, I was expecting the water to be a lot higher. I know over there it's going to be deeper. There's like a board dividing the water now. I had to. I had to. They're just too much fun. Let's see if he'll eat it again though. He just ate it again. Nope, that ain't happening. I don't know, that may have been the only fish that was in here. That could be the only fish that's trapped, although I highly doubt it. Board was not here, so they must have put it up for some reason. This little corner right here, oh, it just gotta be a fish. Just gotta be. Nice little tight corners. Fish love those. Looks like someone forgot their boots. Lovely. This area where I'm at right now is an interesting part. There's some interesting stuff that goes on here. Let's keep going. Well, there goes a snake. Definitely tell people have been partying down here, that's for sure. Hey. I'm gonna take off my backpack too while we're down here, just because I'm gonna change the battery in the camera soon, so. Will that sucker sink? This is the right bag, though. This one, it don't say it's the junior, but it is actually junior. It's only 4.6 inches, but I mean, that's fine. I just wish it had the regular size where I live. I can order them, but I honestly prefer to buy my baits in the store rather than order them. I don't know, I'm just like that. Don't know why I'm like that, but I just am. I just am. That makes this a whole lot easier. Maybe right there? Any fish home? Oh, what happened there? Oh. That's what happened, apparently. I see spots, they look like fish, but I don't know if they are actually fish. They look like fish.